Okay, here's Copper, 7-week-old Basset Hound, male. He has a very large inguinal hernia. You can see it right there. And that needs to be taken care of in case an impaction of the intestines occurs. I'm not worried about strangulation. I'm more worried about the transition of fecal matter, digestive matter, in the intestines might be hindered, compromised due to that hernia. Let's fix it now. This is a left large inguinal hernia. It's about 3 fingers wide. Once I decompress it and fill the hole opening, I'm going to go ahead and clip him, surgically prep him. And when he reaches surgical plane, I'll go ahead and reduce that and close the opening without compromising the spermatic cord to the left testicle. The Copper surgery's over. This is really straight, but it got a little wrinkled when I was putting the skin bond over it. I left the inguinal lymph node. He lost his left testicle and the sac and the scrotal cord, all of that. Over here on the right side, this is a reactive inguinal lymph node. There was adhesion in this area. It required 5 stainless steel sutures to close that muscle wall in there. That's a good many. Usually it only requires 2. And then, of course, the suture under the skin is absorbable, and then this is sealed with some skin bond, just like a Band-Aid. I'm going to put a little something on his neck to keep him from getting back here. He does have his right testicle. That's good. Other than that, I don't know if he can go home tomorrow, but we'll see.